Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm reviewing the app Robinhood. Free stock trading. It's absolutely free, guys. It's unbelievable. Some companies will charge you $5, $10 commission per trading stocks, and that's unbelievably ripping you off. You know I'm coming to you with the ear rape. But here we go. So, first things first, free stock if you invite someone and if you join off of someone else's invite. Free money. Come on. I'm putting this the link directly in the description. First thing you're going to see if you look in the description, it's going to take you directly to the app store. It's going to save you tons of time looking up the app and all that. It's going to shoot you right there. You're going to download it, and I'm going to be making you guys money. You guys can make $200 off this in one time joining. That's the thing. They limit you to $500 in rewards. That is $500 of free cash. This app is absolutely amazing, and I would not be sharing it if I didn't give it 5 stars down the board, and I didn't think it was amazing. Because I am my subs, they're way up there in my opinion. So I would never do them wrong, ever. So I'm showing you guys a way to make money, because you got to understand, when you have money, say you have $1 and you walk into your favorite gas station and you're like, hey, there's my favorite pack of gum. Say this is like 2005. The pack of gum costs 99 cents. You're like, man, let's go get it. I got $1 in my pocket. Say you go back in there 5 years later in 2010. You got $1 in your pocket as well. And you're like, hey, my favorite pack of gum. But you look at it and you're like, wow, it's $1.09. And you realize, wow, my money's worth less than it did for the same exact item years later. That's the thing about money. It's always constantly losing value if you're not investing, if you're not gaining interest on your on your income and money that you have in your savings account. Savings accounts interest are garbage. So we're looking at the app right here in the App Store. So it is just 5 out of 5 stars. This app is amazing. Everything about it is just actually 4.8 out of 230,000 reviews. I don't know what this dude's talking about with a 1 star. That is baloney. Don't listen to that. So, this app is absolutely amazing. Free stock trading. You basically, they even let you do buying power, so you could instantly send money from your bank directly to this app, and you could just start stock trading immediately. It's very easy to win in the stock market when we're in a bull market, as we are right now. So as we move into looking up stocks, they have your favorite companies. Invest in something that you believe in. Say you're like, hey, Netflix, pull that up. Look at the growth. 1,000%, 1,200% in the last 5 years. You could have bought a share for $24 and it's worth $300 now. This is what you want to go get into. You know, when your account's sitting in a savings account earning 1.1% interest, you got $10,000 in there. They're like, oh yeah, here's your interest every 3 months. It's 30 cents. That's baloney. Invest in the stock market with this. This app has tons of news, updates, and all that constantly being put up every single day. It's going to give you an edge on the market. It's going to show you everything about the stocks. It's nothing like you got the watch list, you got their PE ratio, you got the market cap, you got the 52-week high, 52-week low. You just have to follow the line, see what's going down, follow the market. As we move on to another stock, another big one, Amazon. So as we pull this one up, we're like, wow, another one, 500% increase. The amount of money you could have made if you had invested in these 2 stocks back in the day, unfreaking believable. Let me tell you what, guys. So it's very simple. You can set deposits from your bank, automatic deposits, link account, stock transfer. I'm missing the top 2 things, which is transfer to your bank from this app and transfer from your bank to this app. Very simple. Links any bank account you can ever have. So these are my stock picks. I'm just going to go roll down on them. We got Facebook, we got KGC Gold, Twitter, SiriusXM, Darden, the company I work at, Apple. We have T-Mobile and Alibaba, but all these are my watch stocks at the moment. I'm a very big fan of the FANG stocks, which are currently driving the market at the moment. So why I'm posting this video is because stocks are lower than they usually are, and you could definitely make a lot of money. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys make lots of money.